This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Paul Phoenix in Tekken. Paul Phoenix is a classic character renowned for his incredible raw power and aggressive rushdown style. His game plan revolves around delivering devastating blows and capitalizing on opponent mistakes. You'll learn to utilize his signature moves, understand his unique pressure tools, and develop a strong offensive strategy. We'll cover everything from basic movement to advanced combos, helping you dominate the arena with Paul's explosive fighting style. Get ready to unleash the power of the Phoenix. Let's dive into Paul's essential moves. The Demolition Man, input as down forward 2-1, is a fantastic combo starter, leading to significant damage. His iconic Death Fist, performed with forward 2, is a powerful mid-attack, but be mindful of its recovery. For quick pokes and maintaining pressure, the Burning Fist, down back 1, is incredibly useful. Don't forget his Rage Art, which can deal over 50% damage when activated, providing a crucial comeback mechanic in tight situations. Mastering these moves forms the backbone of Paul's offense. Paul's strategy is all about relentless offense and capitalizing on openings. Your goal is to constantly pressure your opponent, forcing them to guess and make mistakes. Look for opportunities to land powerful counter hits, as Paul's damage output in these situations is immense. Mixing up your attacks between highs and lows is crucial to break through their defense. Additionally, practice whiff punishing. Paul has several moves with excellent range, like the Death Fist, that can punish an opponent's missed attack from a distance. Stay aggressive and smart. For advanced Paul players, mastering wall combos is essential. They can add significant damage in corner situations. Understanding frame data will allow you to exploit your opponent's recovery frames, creating more opportunities for your powerful attacks. Practicing the wave dash, while challenging, greatly enhances Paul's movement and opens up more mix-up options. Finally, always adapt your strategy. Different characters and play styles require different approaches. Observe your opponent, identify their weaknesses, and adjust your game plan accordingly to secure victory. Keep practicing and refining your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.